There's only a few sites in all of Borneo where proboscis monkeys live, and it's hard hiking and very hot. So why do proboscis monkeys have such big noses? Lots of theories have been put forward. One suggested that because the nose is full of all kinds of blood vessels, it might work as a way of dissipating heat. And they live in a hot climate, so it makes sense to have some kind of big fleshy appendage to get rid of that heat. Others have suggested that perhaps it's a type of snorkel, so when they're swimming in the water, they've got a way to breathe. But that doesn't explain why the females have such short noses. The real explanation, though, is the one that's most logical. It's classic Darwinian selection. The size of the nose indicates the health of the male. Females select for males with big noses.